balay.
So how much we pay?
Basta there. Walang kapresyohan dira. First time na mo diri sa Jonie's, Sizzlers and Rose. Kami pa di ay magluto ni guys.
Okay, let me be so that you can see.
Sure.
Okay, go. You may start mixing now.
Ikaw na na to. I know.
Glowing.
Yamsing. Kami pa maluto sa food,
Pero,
guys.
kimpit.
Ano, I'm not gonna do that. I'm scared. Kanyo, ganyan-ganyan?
This one.
Good.
Oh, di ako believe ni Martin. Oh! Oh,
You start
oh.
with meat.
I think it's meat first.
I do whatever I want to do. Because I'm not going to eat it.
No,
What is this white stuff?
I don't know.
Fishball, squid
Are you
balls.
wasting some ano
I think it's squid. One round rin eh.
It's gonna burn it.
Is it one round not only, no?
It's just one round. I think.
Mahal da ay, no? Gamay ra kaayo.
You want the fish ball up also?
Yeah, please. Uy, gikat pa dyan. Di ba yun ito buo?
And then, sirado or
You
what?
want some, this is roasted garlic.
Yeah.
You want to have it in trouble, you want to have it in a half-half.
Half-half.
You're such a chef, though.
What's that?
This is ginger, you want that in.
Pero dapat yung manok-manok.
This is jalapenos. You want that spicy?
Not so much.
You're not so happy with spicy, right?
A little lang. Just a little.
I don't want spice because my throat hurts.
So,
That's it.
Let's wait to boil, then add the...
You're such an expert, though. Then we need to close.
thank you.
Should we close this, right? So that it will boil?
Yes.
Mas lamig pa magpuan na ni Day. Nag-work ni Day.
Oh, basta na yun nakabotang work.
Mas lamig pa magpuan na ni. Siya ka ng Korean ba?
Sige lang. Sige lang na may pansit.
Ah, wow!
Yum share.
Okay, Andy. Can I taste a little?
So this is what we're gonna be eating today. The meat is in there, still waiting to be cooked. Martin, Din, Sesta.
Ano na to siya kuha?
Flaming roasted chicken. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3 again.
1, 2, 3. Trial ba to? Trial.
Wow.
Hey.
Popcorn.
Wow!
The barbecue sauce.
Thank you. Dali ma.
Pwede mo lang makakita.
Are you happy though? That's your food.
Yeah, that's my food. Oh, yeah, that's for me.
Do you everything?
That's mine. The chicken
This
is
lang isang sir.
the chicken is mine.
Ikaw na, ni kayo ba?
Sarap.
Thank you.
Sige namin po picture mo.
Oh, picture. Kain na.
Iswa.
Luto smartphone. Ngilingig sa ni diri ba?
Yeah, Mary, I'm making food for your kids.
We're making food for your kids.
Nagluto daw siya para sa imong mga anak ma.
Ingo siya, luto siya pa si Wala, pero yung pagkaon makanirang manok sa kilid.
Para din.
Yung gilahi, para iyara kuno.
Layo na din.
Ikaw na.
Di daw siya kay busog siya.
Unsa ni kaon pa una kaniyari?
Nagkaon na nagkakita-kita. Ako na mo ako ng sobrang ako.
Ang iya ko no kay ice cream.
Okay,
Ako
leave it a
lang
little
ko
bit.
niya ng ice cream.
Yum shake. Yum shake. Nakapagitay dessert. Mami, kaon ta. Ngayon kung siya sukag patis do.
And do some of those.
Do, mga sukag patis do. Ikaw may dulgol.
And see. Then, Celia also. Celia.
Suka pati sili.
Nireklamo kay uga ko na yung manok.
Pizza, mate.
Mary Hilam.
Lama Mary hilom ko no. My mom said ba, oh, if you think it's dry, put water to it.
It's just,
Very good idea, mother. Bright yun is mama.
it's not a fish.
Ako na pang
You will try this one. It's a new it's fun.
Good.
Can I take your order, sir? I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small order of fries. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. Burgers with a little more cheese, and her flurries really make you freeze. She pours the coffee with the greatest of ease, while her smile warms it up a few degrees. She bakes a pie, salted fries, supersized, makes it all look like a breeze. Oh, Jasmine, if I ask you, would you be my fast food squeeze? Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. Every day I see you here, it just makes me wanna swoon. I wanna buy you a happy meal, but is it just too soon? I know you hear this all the time, so you are probably immune. If you would be my fast food girl, I would take you to the moon. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, eyes like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. You are that extra mile, love to see me smile. You are my fast food fantasy. You go that extra mile, you love to see me smile. You are my fast food fantasy.
Hindi namin matapos. Ano pa bang gagawin? Check out, check out, check out.